how to create a landing page easy for free in 2025. This is going to be a step-by-step. So as you can see, we're in the back end of the system. You're going to click on the website tabs and then sales funnels. And this is where you're going to be able to create your landing page. If you don't have an account, a link to start for free will be right in the description. So you can go ahead and click that and sign up for free if you like. So right here, I push create the new funnel at the top, name the funnel. You can also connect one custom domain with the free account. So that's actually a really cool feature. So I changed it to my custom domain, and we want to build an audience to collect the email addresses. So go ahead and click that. Then you see it created the new funnel. Go ahead and click it. So now you can edit it. Now the system already has some pre-done funnels that you can update if you like, but we're going to make one completely from scratch. As you can see, there are many different templates and options, so take your time, look through what they have to offer. You can always just update those if you don't want to create one from scratch. And my computer taking a long time loading, so the blank one is like all the way at the very end. So just bear with me for a second, guys. So here we are at the blank template, so you can start completely from scratch. So you see when I click preview, it just looks like a white sheet of paper. So that's the one that you want to use if you're starting from scratch. So you can go ahead and update the squeeze page, and that's just what they call, I guess, capturing emails. So I just changed it to Glow Squad, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the URL path, and that's going to be the link that you share to be able to capture the emails. So just click that little paperclip looking thing, and you can add that to your descriptions on your social medias or wherever you want to share your link. Now it's time for us to go ahead and edit the page. So just click that button right there that says edit page, and it's going to open up, and you're going to see the system IO in the corner. You can actually remove that by clicking settings, going all the way down to the bottom, and then unchecking that. Now you can only access that with the paid plan, so you have to at least have the starter plan, but you can go ahead and remove that as soon as you upgrade. And then you want to uncheck the hide from search engines because you want it to come up in Google. And then right there you can fill in any SEO that would help your website be more discoverable. As you see, all of the things are right in the columns for you to just drag and drop what you want to put into your landing page. So it's really simple, guys. And you can fool around with it. If you want to put an image there, then you can. Of course, you would just upload whatever image that you want to use into that space. Once you select the image that you want, then just go ahead and click it and then press insert. And then right here, my computer was acting a little slow, so I just had to just go back and re-click it. But literally, you can adjust the image size right there by moving that cursor or put in the number there. Next, we're just going to add in a headline, and of course you're going to make that call to action whatever you need it to be. But I help people earn money from home, create extra income, so I'm just going to say start a home-based business today. To change the font, just click on that area, and then right there on the side you can open up fonts. You can even add in your own custom fonts if you want to, so that's a really cool feature also, like to match all of your branding and things like that. You can adjust the letter sizing, and everything is right there, really easy and simple to use. You can drag and drop the elements to bring them closer together. as you saw, and then I just put a text piece there where you can just write a quick description, whatever you want to do. And then to add your email, you're going to put an input form, and then you're also going to do a button. So when you click the input form, this one is going to be email. So if you wanted to have name, phone number, all of those, you could actually do multiple intakes if you want it. But today it's simple. We just want the email address so we can get people into the system where they're creating their free account, so you can start building up your email list and start building up those affiliate referrals. So you see, now I'm updating the button, and I'm probably just going to say start today or start here, but you can put whatever you want, get rid of that subtext, and then we are going to change the color of the button so you can keep it solid. But I'm going to make this one with like a cute little gradient effect to it, just to make it a little bit different. So you pick the color that you want, click gradient, and then you can adjust like how much of a gradient you want. And then you can also adjust that second color by clicking the box and then, selecting the color that you like. Now that we have our color, we're just going to scroll down where it says shadow. And you see how that shadow effect just makes it pop up off of the page and just gives it more depth to the button. So go ahead and you can, fool around with that if you like, but that just gives you that effect. So now I'm just changing the background color so it is not just a white background. So I just did a really, really light pink color. So as you can see, that's what it looks like now. So we're going to take that same color and we're going to add it in those white areas by just copying that color, clicking the other sections, and pasting it in for the background color. Once you're done, you're going to save your changes. And then I'm just going to quickly write just a little quick message for an example. Ready to make money. Okay, so once you click the button, you can see that when the button is clicked, this is what happens. It's going to submit the form, and then it's going to take them to the next step. We're going to keep that the same because we want it to go to the next step automatically. Now let's just view the funnel. You can see how it's looking for you at this point. And then, of course, go back to make any adjustments. So I don't like how that email is looking. So I'm going to go back and just change a couple things. So go back to the edit page make sure you're back on the squeeze page. So we're going to click edit. And then that's going to, of course, open it up again for us to make our adjustments. So right here, I have added in a video. So I just updated that. Instead of dragging the image, I dragged the video into that spot. Now let's take a look at the next page, the thank you page. And I'm just going to make it very simple, where when the person clicks on the button for a free account, it's going to automatically take them to the sign up page for them to create their account. And this is where you're going to be able to put your unique affiliate link, and that's going to come up in a little bit like how you can do that. Right now, I'm just updating the background color. So I took that color from the first page, and I'm just going to copy it and paste it right into the background color so everything matches. Go ahead and click Save Changes. Then we're going to exit out. Now you see we have both of our steps. The first step to get the email, and then the second step, which is going to give them the free account. But right here, we're going to fix that space. Where is that extra white space? Just go back into the edit page, and we can fix that really easily. Right there where I highlighted the section, all you're going to do is hover over it until you see those two squares right there, and then that's going to copy it. So I just made a couple copies, couple duplicates, saved the change, and let's just go back out and we're gonna check it to make sure we got rid of that white space that was there before. So here we go, white space is done. So it's just one call to action, which is click here to start your free account. So when someone clicks on this button, it's going to take them to the landing page where then they just submit their email. And at that moment, you will get that affiliate, that affiliate referral. So I'm going to show you at the very end of the video how you can add in your affiliate link to that button. Now you're just going to go back to the Glow Squad, the squeeze page where you get the email capture. Go ahead and click view funnel. And as you see, it's my custom website with /Glow Squad. Of course, you can name yours whatever you want, but you see how it appears there for the website. So I ended up updating and I put a video there where it just explains how you can earn money with no experience. So you can keep that video there, or if you want to link your own video or put an image, you can absolutely do that. And the sentence just says, ready to make money from home. Start your home-based business today. Leave your email to gain access to the online tool that will put your business on autopilot. So as soon as someone puts their email address in there and you click start today, it's going to take them to this page. Then once they click on this page, and by the way, the email goes into your system as a new contact. This is where it's going to take them to the free account sign up page. So this is where you're going to lock in on that affiliate commission, and I'll show you how to put your unique affiliate for that button. So as people are coming in through your funnel, then you'll be building up your affiliate list as well. So you can create funnels, you can send marketing emails, build your websites, and you can also do your own affiliate program if you wanted to. You can do that through the system, create online courses, and just automate your email with workflows. It's so many amazing features that you can use, and you can get started absolutely for free. So once people read and see all this, most people are going to want to sign up for this system to at least give it a try because it is risk-free and they can start for free. And the system on its own also follows up with these leads and sends them more promotions, courses, different offers to really help you to expand your business, help you with just different educational materials for the digital marketing space. And most people absolutely love the platform. I'm one of them. I've been using it well over a year now. And it's easy to recommend something that you are using, that you love. I pay $27 a month because I'm still under 5,000 contacts, so that works for me. But as soon as I'm able to just upgrade and keep expanding my business, I definitely will do so. And they max out at $100 a month, so that's great to have unlimited everything for $100. You cannot beat that. I'll have the link to this exact template down below for you guys. But right here, when you click the button, right there where it has the question mark with the essay and all that, that's your unique affiliate. So once you create your account, when you're in your dashboard, you'll see your link. And what you're going to do is put in your special code right there where I had highlighted. So go ahead and then you can update that, save the changes before you exit out, because once you start sharing your link to the email capture, when they click on that button and then it takes them to the sales page where it's just breaking down some of the features of the system, then they're going to come into your affiliate dashboard as a sign up for you. So I will have the shareable link in the description. And guys, feel free to customize it, change the colors, the fonts, whatever you want to do. Or if you just want to run with it like that, then you will still get the affiliates as long as you add in your affiliate link.